a movie that has been shown for many years. We've watched it countless times but never really understood. In the end the credits roll, meaningless words fade away. Watching it, I don't comprehend. There's no message, no meaning. This love tried so hard, struggling and fighting, until one person vanished, never to return. No image, no voice remains on this earth. We were out of sync, I couldn't my feelings as could it really be you. Even though now we are in different times, I haven't forgotten. This break means we will never meet again. The power of this separation is immense. I still love you, unable to choose anyone else. I still remember, still wait. Before sleep I try to meet you in my dreams. The three worlds always point north, like a sincere heart that cannot be shaken. I plan a faithful heart and still think of you every moment. My failure is mine alone to bear. I collapse, powerless, standing weak, like an unlucky person shining faintly like a fading star. A cold breeze touches my body and soul. My feelings ask, could it really be you? Even though now we are in different times, I haven't forgotten. This break means we will never meet again. The power of this separation is immense. I still love you, unable to choose anyone else. I still remember, still wait. A cold breeze touches my body and soul. My feelings ask, could it really be you? Even though now we are in different times, I haven't forgotten. This break means we will never meet again. The power of the separation is immense. I still love you, unable to choose anyone else. I still remember, still wait. A cold breeze touches my body and soul. My feelings ask, could it really be you? Even though now we are in different times, I haven't forgotten. This break means we will never meet again. The power of